But I'm doing an unboxing of my free kosher 5 1-pound packs of imported whole wheat matzos from ShopRite. Where's the razor blade? I get these. I'm like, all right, what am I going to do with them? Feed the birds? Then I'm like, nah. Let's start doing matzo pizzas. Matzo pizzas? Yeah, these are like giant saltines without the salt. If you don't know where this came from, when the Jews left, they didn't have time to let the bread rise. So this is what they made, matzos. And this is our unboxing party. There's our matzos. It's 1 pound. How many do you think we got in here? I have no clue. Ooh. We're going to have pizza part. Ooh, look how nice those look. Oh, one's broken. Into the garbage with you. More than one are broken. Those are like little personal pizzas. Let's check them out on a plate. There's the plate. There's the matzah. So we're going to be making pizzas. Look, they fit perfectly. They're like little cubes inside the circle. Cool. Matzah pizzas. And then the rest of it, we'll probably just break it up, turn it into breadcrumbs, and then figure out what to throw it in a Ziploc and then figure out what to do with it later. Imported whole wheat. The lady that gave them to me, she was going for the regular. I was like, nah, give me the whole wheat. Birds like whole wheat. We don't like white. We like it darker. More taste, right? All right. Ooh, we didn't count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Each pack comes with 14 matzahs. That's 14 little matzah pizzas. But here's the bad news. Some of them get broken. Look, broken. Yeah, so maybe a dozen out of 14 are good to go. But these are going to be delicious. I can't wait to try them. Matzah pizzas. Who knows? I might start doing matzah pizzas all the time. I used to do little pizzas. I don't think I have them up on my channel, but where are they? I don't have them. Somewhere in here I got them. Over here. The sandwich toppers that I make my burgers out of, those I take, they're about this big, halves, they're about that thin. I make little pizzas out of them. Now I got square big pizzas. Let's thank the Jewish community for Passover matzahs. Whole wheat.